Hey guys, it's the last day of 2016. Wow. I'm starting off another vlog with actually zero makeup this time. I think in the last one I had like my eyebrows done, but I had zero makeup whatsoever and I look like crazy. It is 2:36 p.m. I woke up at like 11 and since then I've been cleaning my room and stuff because I want to start 2017 on a good note. But I've also been kind of getting ready, so I'm already wearing like, I think what I'm just going to be wearing tonight, I'm just wearing like leggings and like a sweater because it's actually going to be kind of chilly tonight, so I'm happy. But I also just did my nails, woohoo, and I straightened my hair. I'm going to do my makeup and show you guys that. Plans for tonight. We're going to grandma's, we're going to have the whole family, and we're going to do some karaoke, we're going to drink some Welch's Sparkling because I'm not 21. I'm so excited. I love New Year's. It's literally my favorite holiday that I celebrate with my family. I mean, Christmas is really good too, but New Year's is just so much fun every time. So we always have a crazy good fireworks show, and I'm just really excited. I'm really ready. So I'm gonna keep straightening my hair now, and I'll update you guys whenever I start getting my makeup going. So see ya. I think my hair is done. It's just straight, it's nothing crazy. Now I'm gonna start doing my makeup.
We rollin' every summer when there's strength in our numbers, and your breath's hot and gross, but I kiss you like a lover. Like stick to the seats of the car someone grew into. I forget the knowledge from the lessons that I went to. And Jamie picks fights, but the weekend short-lived, because no one can be bothered when it's human. Like this, and we rollin' every summer like it's shameful to be underneath a ceiling or a roof truck. I'm out and still I thunder.
So I think I'm done getting ready now. I think this is pretty good look for New Year's. I wanted to do something even crazier, but you know, this is pretty crazy for me. And the highlight poppin'. I like my nose highlight, it looks cute. But yeah, I guess that's all for getting ready. Since I talked to you last, I just finished getting ready, finished my makeup. I already showed you my nails, I think. And I just got ready, like dressed. So I'm literally just wearing leggings and this Victoria's Secret hoodie and like a black sweater underneath. And I found this necklace, so that's more festive of me. And my boots. So, I'm here with Farrah.
Hi.
What do you want to tell the people, Farrah? This is a New Year's vlog.
This is New Year's vlog.
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 Vlog. Vlog?
Vlog. Yeah, you got it.
That's just weird. What did you change the
What? Where? Oh, yeah.
Karaoke.
It's not focused.
It's karaoke.
It's not focused? Aw.
It's karaoke.
Well, okay, I'm at my grandma's now with all the children. We're all just chilling, chillaxing. Avon, what do you want to say to the people of the internet?
Me.
The internet is a great source of watching people record.
Yeah, he's not wrong. Look at the tree and its glory, and then there's Marissa.
It's beautiful.
It is beautiful. It is. Melissa, what do you got to say?
I'm so tired. I almost fell asleep earlier, but I didn't. That's not what she meant.
What the? That is where I'm gonna come. She is so sleepy to death. To death.
Yeah, remember we were trying to take a nap, but then people started getting here, and I was like, no.
I'll update you guys later, but yeah, we're just gonna chill out, right?
Yeah.
Are you trying to like copy what I'm saying with your mouth?
Is y'all playing the game?
Okay. No. Haha. Oops. We're going crazy. What time is it anyway? 9:10 p.m. So we've got about 3 hours, a little less than 3 hours.
Oh my god! Can you turn it on?
Farrah.
Should we put some jazz music?
Yes.
No.
Put it on something where. Put it on shade 45.
The heat's good.
Ha. I like it.
Yeah. Ha.
Ha. Yeah. Oh, I know this song.
That's how I know. That's how, yeah. Well, I actually played this song for her, but she was yeah.
Dang it, as soon as I started recording, we're all out here.
sparklers?
Yeah.
Can light them right there.
Okay.
And then you can switch it.
Aven, what are you doing?
I don't know. Do you have one of my dresses?
The first sparkler of New Year's 2016, 2017. Woo!
Please be quiet.
Ready? I'm Raina Lowry and you're watching Disney Channel. Oh my. Ah! I felt something fall on my feet. You got it done, haha! Woo!
I do, it's not doing. Oh, there it goes.
Woo! Careful, Farrah! Look at these lasers. Wow! Incredible.
Hey, let's scoot over here because you're about to do that.
Wow, this looks great. Man, gorgeous.
That one hit the tree, that one hit the tree, that one hit the tree.
Oh man. Oh yeah. Beautiful. There's Shakira. Oh, everyone's distracted by this over here.
That dance, that one hip hop dance.
Hey, we're not gonna get outnumbered by the white people.
Scooter is crying.
Gotta bring it back. You don't know what they play now? Oh, I didn't know. My boss. What? Everybody back. I think I'm singing again. She has your signature. What? Everybody knows that song. Let me see that song.
Remember he goes, we're a song wearing family.
What are you doing?
Filming.
Recording?
Yeah.
the big one? Yeah.
So we just got back home at 3:03 a.m. Happy New Year! I'm so happy about 2017. I had fake nails on, but now I only have these. I'm just going to paint this black tomorrow. But I'm going to take off my makeup and go to sleep because I'm not so upset. I'm so tired. I'm not upset. I'm happy. It's been a really fun night. Super fun. I still did not get as much footage as I wanted, but I did get footage of the fireworks show, so hope you guys enjoyed that. But we sang a lot, and I sang Versace on the Floor. That was the highlight. I thought that one was good. I'm so tired now. But dear 2017, I have been waiting for you all my life. So I really hope that this year turns out to be everything that I've always imagined it would be. I turn 18 this year. I graduate this year from college and high school. And then I move 4 hours away. If my plan works the way that I want, hopefully I'll be going to UT, and that means I'll be moving 4 hours away and living on a college campus. I hope you all had a safe and happy and wonderful and exciting New Year's Eve with your loved ones. This has been my favorite, like it's the perfect way to end 2016. It was a good year. I'm really excited for videos in 2017. This is the first one that you all actually see. So yeah, I'm really excited. Comment down below anything you want, and tell me what you want to see in the new year, because this channel is going to be popping off. So I just need to take off my makeup, but I don't want to. It stayed on all night and it looks so good still. My highlight's still popping. My eyeshadow still looks good. My eyeliner stayed on. Like, literally, I'm so happy with everything. Like, my new makeup steps out. I mean, my lipstick's gone, but like, big deal, right? Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna go now. I think I said that already. Max is trying to make me play with him, and I don't want to. I need to go to sleep, so. It's 3 a.m. and I'm talking to my camera in my room by myself, so I'm gonna go. Again, Happy New Year, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the fireworks show, because I know it was off the charts. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and hope you're ready to see more of me in 2017. Here we go. This is 2017. It's literally the year I've waited forever for. I've always waited for this year, and I can't believe it's finally here. It's crazy. Until next time, I'll see ya when I see ya.